Welcome to the ACC Cardiovascular Overview and Board Prep Virtual Experience. This video tutorial will show you how to navigate this year's virtual experience. If you've already registered, you can navigate to the site directly, or click the blue Launch button on the meetings listing page on acc.org as shown here. You will be taken to ACCSAP, the ACC's self-assessment program. Click Login on the right-hand side to proceed. Once you are logged into ACCSAP, click the Cardiovascular Overview and Board Prep 2021 Virtual Experience tile on the right-hand side of the screen. Note that you may be prompted to read and agree to a product agreement. You are now on the landing page. Note that you will also have access to ACCSAP, Heart Songs 5, and ECG Drill and Practice. Scroll down to view the resources and tools offered. The roadmap is your guide to the virtual experience. View the recommended learning pathway in ACCSAP, resources to support your learning, a list of upcoming live webinars, and important dates for ABIM certification exams. Study guides allow you to download comprehensive study guides on each content area, from arrhythmias to pericardial disease, comprised of recommended ACCSAP content to read and view. The question of the day, available starting August 2nd, allows you to test your knowledge by answering ABIM-style practice questions. You can also opt in to receive daily email reminders when a new question is available. The discussion boards are where you can engage with faculty and other participants by posting questions and joining in on ongoing discussions, organized by content area. Select a content area and create a new discussion by clicking the New Discussion button. Get notifications by clicking Follow Discussions, or contribute to an existing discussion by clicking Post New Comment underneath a thread. Live webinars will occur throughout July, August, and September, and be available on demand within 72 hours of presentation. During a webinar, you can interact with expert faculty via Q&A panel discussions. Lastly, exam preparation resources provide helpful videos on effective study techniques and resources that you can view in your web browser. Credit for the ACC Cardiovascular Overview and Board Prep Virtual Experience may be claimed through ACCSAP, and additional credit claiming opportunities are available through Heart Songs 5 and ECG Drill and Practice. View the Credit Information section on the meeting listing page on acc.org for additional information. If you've purchased access, this guided experience is available from July 6th through October 1st. All materials will be available through October 31st, 2021.